everyone, this is Tim from Your6 Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to record your screen on your Motorola phone. So if you got like a project or something you're doing for school, just go to top right and swipe on down, and we're going to be looking through these different widgets for screen recording. So on this version of Android, I have to go to the right, but it's going to be the same on the newer version. Just look for screen recording. We can go through here. Here it is, screen record. So if we tap it once, we can go to start right here. But if we hold it down, we can go to the options. So we can hold this down, and we can decide if we want large for the viewfinder, 1080p for the resolution, 60 frames per second right there, record time unlimited, file size unlimited, etc. Record touchscreen or touch points, so you can see where you're touching. So we can go back here now. Go on over to screen record, press start. Now we got all these different options on the top. So if we want to include our camera, make sure our microphone is on too. We can record the system sounds, mic sounds, mute. So make sure we have record system sound if we want to record like a YouTube video or something like that for whatever reason. So very easy to do. So once you stop, you can check it out in your gallery. It's kind of hard to make it stop. You can see it's so small. Just hit this little red box, and then it should be saved in our gallery. But yeah, check this out. Very easy to do. Here's my screen recording right here. And you can hear me talking in the background. And I can delete it. And we can go back and listen to that. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up.